Hello guys and welcome to my channel Way She Blushes. So today's video is all about skincare and hair care during winters. Winters आ गई हैं और winters के साथ ही मेरा पूरा skincare game change हो जाता है. बहुत सारे skincare products मुझको replace करने पड़ते हैं. I have a combination skin which turns dry during winters. I'm sure a lot of people who have combination skin do have this dry skin problem during winters, and if you're looking out for the right products then keep watching the video. I have ordered all my skincare and hair care from Amazon, so you will find all these things on Amazon easily, and I will also give you links to all these products in the description box. I'm trying to change the style of haul videos that I do on my channel, so just like in my winter wear clothing haul, this video is also going to be slightly different than my usual hauls. I will not be sitting here and showing you all the products one by one. In fact, I will give you like a full close-up of all the products and the texture and everything about the product. Let's get started. So the first product in my winter skincare essential has to be a face wash. I really needed to, get myself a nice gentle face wash. So I got this gentle skin cleanser from Cetaphil. Now this skin cleanser is meant for both face and your body, and this is soap free and non-irritating and hypoallergenic. So for people with dry skin or people with really sensitive skin, I think this gentle skin cleanser is really suited. I'm just going to quickly take some on my hand and test it out right now in front of you just to see how this one is. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my palm. So this is the texture. It has a gel-like texture. I'm just going to quickly lather it a bit. So there is no lather formed. It is clearly a gel, and इसमें बिल्कुल भी soap नहीं है, इसमें कोई भी lather नहीं create हुआ है, and it is absolutely soap free as it says, and it's a very gentle cleanser क्योंकि मुझको बिल्कुल भी ऐसा कुछ harsh नहीं feel हो रहा अभी hands पे लगाने पे. Price for this gentle cleanser is rupees 563, but I paid somewhere around 480 rupees for this facial cleanser, and for 480 you get 250 ml of product. After the face wash comes the toner, and I have been using this niacinamide and green tea calming toner from Dr. Sheth's. This is a refill. I have already used one bottle of this toner and I absolutely love this one. This toner has 5% niacinamide, 0.3% allantoin, calendula extract and green tea extract, and personally I have totally loved this one on my skin, and I have seen how it works on my face, so that is why I refilled this one. The price for this is rupees 350, and that is exactly what I paid. This is how the bottle looks, and this is a 50 ml product, and I absolutely love using this on my face. If you have dull skin, or if you have pores, or if you have pigmentation, personally I have seen this working on my face. After toner, the next step is moisturizer, and for moisturizer I've got this hydrating light moisturizer from the brand Simple. This is my first time trying anything from this brand. I have never used anything from Simple, and I'm actually really looking forward to this one because I have heard like good things about this brand and how it is suited for sensitive skin. So this is how the actual product looks. It has 125 ml of product, and I'm quickly going to take a little bit on my palm and see how it is. It definitely doesn't have any fragrance, so this is fragrance free. And as for the moisturizing part, I can feel this is really good moisturizing. It is not a very rich moisturizer. It is just the right kind of moisturizer that people with oily skin or combination skin would need. It is a hydrating light moisturizer. Simple does have like an intense rich moisturizer meant for people with dry skin, so if you have dry skin you may want to check out that. This one would be particularly suited to people with oily to combination skin tone. I will definitely share my experience of using this again on my Instagram. Next up, I got this face serum from this brand Earth Rhythm. This is 10% niacinamide, ceramide complex and hyaluronic acid barrier support serum. Just quickly going to open this one. So this is how the product looks like. I am quickly going to open it and take a little bit on my palm. It is like a gel. It's a very lightweight gel, and just applying this on my hand. Now this serum doesn't have any fragrance, not that I can smell any on my hand. And as for the moisturizer part, like this is a decent moisturizer, and since it has niacinamide, ceramide complex and hyaluronic acid, I believe this will be very good for my skin, because niacinamide suits my skin really nicely. I'm already using niacinamide green tea extract toner from Dr. Sheth, and this product also has niacinamide and it suits me really well, and that is why I got my hands on this niacinamide face serum. I have used hair care products from this brand Earth Rhythm. This is my first time trying a skincare product from their brand, so I am actually hoping this one would be really good, because their hair care products have worked really well for me. So super excited to try this one. Also, the price for this serum is rupees 999, but I paid somewhere around 760 rupees for this serum. Next up, I got this under eye cream from this brand Juicy Chemistry. This is their Damask Rose and Coffee Organic Eye Cream for dark circles and fine lines. Let's just get one thing straight. I love this brand Juicy Chemistry. I have used their facial oils for my face and they have suited me really well. Like, I totally trust this brand. When I buy something from them, I know that it will be good. And this time around, let's see, it's my first time buying an eye cream, so I'm really hoping this one would be excellent, just like the previous products that I've used. This is how the product looks from inside. ये कुछ yellowish color का इसके अंदर है. You can actually smell rose plus lemons plus little bit of coffee in this one. It smells heavenly, and I can't wait to use this one, because as usual, my expectations from this brand Juicy Chemistry are really high. So let's see how this one works. Next up, I got this pit cream, this deodorizing pit cream from Plum, and this is in the fragrance Hawaiian Roomba. I have been eyeing this product from a really long time, and finally I decided to get this. I mean, why am I buying a deodorizing pit cream during winters? But let me tell you, winters में मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है इन चीज़ों की, because I wear, we wear so many warm clothes, and sometimes I just end up sweating in them a lot. So that's why winters is actually the time for me to start investing in all the pit creams and deodorants, because it's worse, under all those layers of woolen clothes. Sometimes it gets really hot and sweaty, so I always keep a deodorant with me, a deodorant cream or a deodorant lotion, something with me all the time. So that is why I decided कि अब इसको ले लेते हैं. So that is why this is in my winter skincare essentials video. So it's a small tub. It has 50 grams of product, and the price for this is 345, but I paid 297 rupees for this one. मुझे हर चीज़ पे थोड़ा discount मिला है, which is really good. Amazon पे you always get discounts. I'm just going to open it, and so this smells like aloe vera and cucumber and slightly, very slightly hint of pineapple in it, but mostly it smells like aloe vera and cucumber. So now the skincare is over and we are moving on to hair care. और hair care में winters में मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा dry और frizzy हो जाते हैं. I'm sure if you have dry hair you would relate to this, and that is why I thought it's time to invest in some new shampoos. And I'm already using a couple of shampoos and they're working really well for me, but I really wanted to try this shampoo from this brand Arata. Price for this shampoo is 524, and in 524 you get 300 ml of product. Tata में you will find 2-3 more shampoos which is for different hair concerns, or this one was well suited for my hair, and that is the reason I picked this one up. इसका fragrance मैं इसको already smell कर चुकी हूँ. इसका जो fragrance है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft और soothing सा fragrance है. It's not very strong. This shampoo does not have any parabens, SLES, SLS, caustics, DEA, MEA, and all the bad guys like formaldehyde, क्लोरीन एंड हैवी मेटल्स, फॉस्फेट्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो शैम्पूज में जनरली होती हैं, जो नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज टोटली सेफ टू यूज. So there is one more shampoo that I really wanted to try, and that is from Fix My Curls. This is cleansing shampoo with apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil and rosemary oil. I also got a hair conditioner from the same brand, Fix My Curls. This is their hydrating deep conditioner with honey, mango butter, goji berries and Nigella sativa seed oil. hair products from this brand Fix My Curls are slightly on the expensive side. Like I paid 885 for both of these. If you have dry or frizzy hair, or if you are following curly girl routine, then you can definitely check out this brand Fix My Curls. They have a lot of hair products for curly routine, and they also have shampoos and conditioners and leave-in conditioners. Like they have a lot of products. Same goes for this brand. Like if you're following curly girl routine, you can give this shampoo a try as well. This one is more economical, I feel, and this is slightly expensive. Alright, so this was the haul, and these were all the products that I picked up from Amazon. In case any product piqued your interest and you want to check out that, go to the description box and all the links will be there. If you found this video useful, then please give this video a big like, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Veshi Blushes. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this one, and I'll see you in a new video on my channel very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe. Happy winters. Bye bye.